Hey everybody, we're back again with another box break for the 2019-20 Chronicles basketball, the mega box with 100 cards, 5 packs per box, or it says 5 packs, probably 5 cards per box, 20 packs per box. So we're going to check it out because I got it to resell because I won it pretty cheap in an auction, but it was not put in a box, so I just can't take the risk on trying to sell it, and there could be damaged cards, so I'm going to check it out. Gives me a reason to open something, I guess. Chase some Zion and Ja and second year Lucas. I like the Chronicles a lot because there's a mix of so many different cards in here. You got some pretty good chances at getting some of the better ones. You know, there's some pretty nice cards that they put in here. So it's going to be this right here is where that dent was at. So when we get to that, I'm going to go ahead and get started here. Try and get through this in a decent amount of time. And looks like we got Tazi, Michelle, Playbook. I'm going to try and get through this kind of quick, so there's a Barrett, Recon. Feels kind of thick. We have a rated rookie Reed and oh, nice. Dress for Success auto patch card. Boris Dia. So that's cool. Cool. Haven't seen one of them. It's pretty nice. Take that. Give us something to look at for the rest of the break. Simmons, Porter Jr., and Nasir Little. Oh, I'm glad that card was on that side of the box. Like I said, I don't know. Those other ones could be fine, but Reddish, Leonard, Paschal, Giannis, Green. Pretty much everything that you see come out of these box breaks I do will be up on eBay. I'll have the link provided in the description below. And if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Come back for the future ones. There's going to be plenty. I'm sure of it. There's a blue Embiid. Insert. None. Lillard. Brandon Clark. Marquee. I'm sure that the cards will probably be fine, but I just don't like taking a chance on sending that off to somebody that, cause I was going to mark it up from what I got it. There's a Zion, a little off center, but it's a Zion Threads rookie. So that's a nice one. There's one of the guys we're chasing. And what else? Anthony Towns and a Harrell. Hero for the Heat. Oh, nice. If you saw that, that's the guy I'm looking for. Barrett. There's a Cameron Johnson Crusade. Nice cards. Cameron Johnson Prestige. Trey Young and Ja Morant. And that one looks a little bit off center, maybe. Maybe. No. Nice card. Probably the guy of the two that I was really collecting is Ja. When I was trying to get, card lots and stuff. So Luka, second year. Porter. None. Green, Carson Edwards. Essentials. Culver, PJ Washington, LeBron, and Giannis. Barrett, another Luka. Harden, none. Carson Edwards. Cameron Johnson and a Harrow Flux rookie. Those are sharp looking cards. Nice. That's nice. Decent card to get. And Seekin, Barrett, and Cam Reddish. Alexander Walker, Clark, Sponis, Zion, Xar, and Cam Reddish, green. Cool. Makes two Zions. Two Zions, one Ja. We have had a couple heroes, but Garland, Tatum, Garland, Kevin Love, Jordan Poole. Another Tyler. Todzi. Harden. Chris Paul. And Harrow. Hero. Recon. I do box breaks. I will provide the Facebook link will be provided in the description also. You should check it out. Got some jerseys I'm gonna do, some autographed football jerseys. These are nice looking cards. Hometown Heroes. Kendrick Nunn. We'll go ahead and put a sleeve on that. Giannis, Shea, PJ Washington, not the C. I wonder if this is starting to get down to where that dent was at. I'm going to check this next pack out here. Seemed like it was down a little bit further though. Pool, yeah, looks good. Reddish, Alexander Walker, and green XR Zion. Nice. That's a nice one. Probably will be on eBay soon. Once you see this video, that's what I normally try and do when I put the video up. Normally you'll be able to find the cards not long after it's up, so we will put this one, make a little room here. Alright. Bad, not bad. Corner's looking right. Curry. Oh, nice. Ja Morant. Teal. Nice. I don't have that one yet. Pretty straight, too. Pretty straight. Whoa. Card didn't come out. It's all good. We're good. Steph Curry, Shaw, and Kendrick Nunn. Boya, Kohler, Leonard, Nunn, and Culver, XR. Down, I think this, we got 3 left here. These are where the corners I'm gonna, yeah, looks alright on this one. Melly, Kawhi Leonard, Crusade. Oh, is that? Oh, looks alright. Anthony Davis, DeAndre Hunter, and Kobe White. Essentials. Kobe White. Feel free to go ahead and leave a comment if you're interested in anything. Be more than happy to help you out. Hayes, Zingis, Ball, Jordan Poole, green, essentials. Alright, last and final pack for the Mecca. DeAndre Hunter, Teal, Darius Garland, Drummond, RJ Barrett, and Cameron Johnson, Marquee. So that was a decent box. We got Kobe. Here's some of the Jordan Poole, Kendrick Nunn, Arrow, Edwards green, Cameron Johnson Crusade, Arrow, Essentials, Giannis. We got that Zion XR. Got the teal, Ja Morant, Marquis Ja. The Threads, Zion, Tyler Harrow, Green Flux. So just that's just the flux, right? And the Green XR Zion. Nice looking card. And then our auto jersey, Boris Diaw. I'm not sure how to pronounce his name, I'm sorry. Dia. So that was a decent box. I mean, I'm glad all the cards were still good. So that lady will be happy. I appreciate you guys watching. Hit the subscribe button. Stay tuned for future videos. And I hope to see you on the list. Come join the Facebook group. Get in on the next box break. Have a good one. Peace out. We'll see you.